Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will show you how to create coupon codes in WooCommerce in 2025. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to log in into your WordPress admin dashboard. So it will look something like this. Now you need to hover over to the left hand section where you will find WooCommerce plugin, and now you need to click on coupons. Now once you are on this page, it will show you the option of create your first coupon. So you need to simply click on it. Now here you need to provide your coupon code that will look something like this, and click on generate coupon code. So this is the coupon code that you have generated, and now the customers to whom you are going to give this coupon code will have to add this coupon code in the coupon code section. Now in the coupon data, you can basically give discount, and you can even customize the coupon amount. Like you can set whether you want to give 10% discount, 1% discount, or 100% discount. You can customize the additional settings like coupons expiry date and a bunch of other details, usage restrictions, etc. So you can customize it as per your own convenience. And then once you are done with it, click on the publish option and your coupon is ready to be used. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.